He's white, man. You know what I was doing? That's what I was saying. Switch directions and they seem to come off at that point there. Ow. Little guy, little bitty guy. So windy. All right, don't reel up so far. Nice fat one. I was watching your pull and I was like, hey man, it looks like you have one almost the way it was jiggling. I hope it doesn't make me lose my worm. I just put it on. Oh, okay, well, self-release, we'll take it. Number 7. I'm trying to, don't make my, oh, why do they keep popping off at the freaking boat like that? But okay, that was a decent one. Nothing great, but decent. The 2 that I caught over there both hit it on the fall. I watched my line. That's how I knew I had them. Well, my line was like, got another one, same weight. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Shark. Oh. Yeah, it was pulling a little bit harder on that one. I thought that was a big one for a second. It's a decent one, but it ain't. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger because it was like not moving for a second. My drag was pulling. This is a house of learned doctors. Man, what is up, bro? You gonna show yourself or you're not even big? He is. I was like, man, he's not big. I can see him, but he's fighting like a monster. But I'm like, he's not big at all. He's tiny. Number 9. Yeah, a little bit. I'll take them. Number 10. No. 10. Get off the side. He's the same size as Dale. No, he's the same size as most of them. Yeah, number 11. Pull a drag there for a second. shot is like very difficult. Little fella. Nice little football. 12. That's not bad at all, huh? Look at that.